So ultimately, there's the wire hooked up. Let's go in here and try it now. It shouldn't start. The accelerator pump is bad. That's why I hooked up the starting fluid. I won't edit this part. I haven't sprayed it once or even tried it. I don't know if it's going to spray down that small of a tube, but we're going to give it a shot. Let's just try to start the truck regular right now. All right, now let's try our little trick here. Hopefully that's on some pressure. By golly, oh my gosh. I did it. It works, you guys. That's a vacuum line through my firewall into a starting fluid can and all the way back out into the hood through the top of the air cleaner and spraying it right into my primary. So even with this small of a vacuum line, it works. So now I don't have to get out of my car anymore and spray starting fluid in there in the morning or at all anymore. The accelerator pump is bad and I just don't feel like changing it yet. So let's go back and give it a whirl again. Now that I know it works. That's it, guys. That's the mod. If I did anything to improve it at all, I may go with a larger line, but that could actually work against you. I think right now it's pressurized. It's getting a little bit of back spray into the can, but ultimately it's spraying it inside and starting it, and that's all that really counts. So you can experiment around with what size line you want. This is vacuum tubing. It's like 7/64ths. And it seems to spray inside this can fairly well. See that right there? But that's about it. Even if you didn't have the tape on here, it's definitely going to work. And you could definitely pull this up and point it and get it closer if you wanted. But that's the video and it works. I'm thrilled. I've been waiting to do this for about 15 years. Actually, it took me about 5 minutes to do it. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. How to hook up a starting can in your truck, the vacuum line, and get it started. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.